Hi everyone. Welcome to Electrospark channel. Do you know what is the meaning of algebraic sum in KVL, KCL, and other laws? Storm your brain. Keep your answer. Before you reveal your answer, let I explain to you in a jiffy. The algebraic sum is one in which the sign of the quantity is taken into account. But what is quantity? Quantity mean the amount of something which we want to measure, like current, voltage, pressure, and others. See the illustration of algebraic sum of currents. Let currents entering to point O is taken positive, like I1, I3, and I5. While currents leaving the point O is taken negative, those are I2, I4, and I6. Those currents entering to point O are happy, and leaving are sad. In the same way, see the illustration of algebraic sum of voltage. The rise in voltage, mean from low terminal black to high terminal red, is taken positive voltage, those are 1 and 3. The fall in voltage, mean from high terminal red to low terminal black, is taken negative, like voltage 2 and 4. So, rise voltages are happy, be positive, and fall voltages are sad, mean they are negative. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.